Let's see how to fix slow and laggy scrolling in Microsoft Word. So first off, let's open Microsoft Word. And for some computers, especially older ones or ones with um, slower specs, Microsoft Word can be a bit slow to edit sometimes. And what we can do is go over to the File tab and click on Options. Right here, click on Advanced. And let's just scroll down to the display settings. And right here, we can opt to uncheck update document content while dragging. So sometimes this can cause lag, especially in Microsoft Word, where when you're resizing an image or a table, for example, it will edit and update the document along with it, which sometimes can cause lag issues. So let's go ahead and uncheck that. And another method we can do is by unchecking this one as well. Use subpixel positioning to smooth fonts on screen. Let's just click OK. And if that doesn't fix the problem, simply try to simplify your document. Sometimes a lot of embedded fonts, like tables, images, and even sometimes links can cause lags in Microsoft Word. So go ahead, try it out. I hope this helps, and I will see you soon.